Okay, I just got 2014 Kink Curb today. It's my birthday, and yeah, I love this bike. And he knows more about the bike, but these are, this is all I know about it. This is a kink contact tires. They suck. And these grips, they suck too.
Mission Helix grips suck.
So he knows more about bikes.
I'll tell you about it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got a kink, curb, frame, high 10, all that. It's got Mission Triumph cranks, non-sealed bottom brackets, non-sealed headset, standard. I gave him my premium pivotal seat. Yeah, looks like crap, but, We got Mission X7 rims. They're pretty good. Non-sealed front hub. Semi-sealed back hub. What else? We got a Mission seat clamp, of course.
Metal pedals suck too.
Mission stem. I guess it's decent.
I went all out.
Yeah, people say they slip, but like if you tighten it with the Allen wrench and then use a regular wrench to just crank it, it'll work. We got Kink Volt 2 forks, high 10. Mission Helix grips. I mean, they're good right now, but they're gonna end up ripping off because they suck.
This is his bike.
And that's about it. Should I do a hub check?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do a hub check then. I guess it's kind of loud. It's alright.
Hub check. Yeah.
And
It's starting to rain, so
that's about it.
It's his bike. Premium.
Yeah, I got a premium Spire. It's decent. It looks like crap because of my paint job, but
bike. Me and Noah just got our bike today.
it's my bike.
I got that faggot bike.
Show him,
Then he's got a Walmart.
I got that faggot bike.
You guys have a Walmart bike.
Alright, well,
We all got
that's my bike, so yeah. Alright,
So
bye.
that's it. Deuces.
Peace.